day all. Welcome to SS1 biology class. My name is Amiga Bariduman, and today we'll be talking on the human skeleton. What is the skeleton? The skeleton is the bony framework of the body which provides shape, support, and protection to the soft tissues and organs in the body. There are three major types of skeleton. The hydrostatic skeleton. This type of skeleton is possessed by soft-bodied animals. The fluid in their body is secreted to provide support and fill space. Examples of organisms with this type of skeleton include earthworm, leeches, sea animals, and so on and so forth. Exoskeleton. The exoskeleton is a type of skeleton found outside or in the external part of the organism. Organisms with this type of skeleton only grow through a process called molting or ecdysis. In this process, the organism sheds off its old skeleton, grows, and later is covered with a new one. Examples of organisms with this type of skeleton include arthropods like crayfish, crab, and insects like cockroach, butterfly, etc. The endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is a type of skeleton found inside the body of the organism. Examples of organisms with this type of skeleton are fishes, birds, mammals, and so on and so forth. The endoskeleton is divided into two. The axial skeleton, which consists of the skull, the vertebral column, the ribs, and the sternum. The appendicular skeleton, which consists of the limbs and the girdles. Thank you.
My name is Atinam Caleb. I'll be talking on the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton is a part of the mammalian skeleton that forms the main central axis of the body. It is made up of the skull, the vertebral column or backbone, the ribs, and the sternum. The skull consists of the cranium or brain box, where the brain is housed and protected. The facial bones, which are the supporting structure of the eyes, the nose, and the ears. Then the upper jaw and the lower jaw, which holds the teeth. The vertebral column. The vertebral column consists of 33 bones, which are piled one over each other. They are divided into 5. The cervical vertebrae, found in the neck region. The thoracic, found in the chest region. The lumbar, found in the upper abdominal region. The sacral, found in the lower abdominal region. Then the caudal, found in the tail region. The ribs are divided into 12 pairs. The first to the 7th pair are called true ribs because they are attached directly to the sternum. The 7th to the 10th pair are called false ribs because they are not attached directly to the sternum, while the 11th and the 12th pair are called floating ribs because they are not attached to the sternum at all. Thank you.
My name is Barisha Sobari Princess. I'm here to speak on the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton are divided into two, which are the limbs and the girdle. But I'm going to talk about the limbs. The limbs are the forelimbs and the hindlimbs. The forelimbs are made up of the humerus, radius, ulna, carpus, which are called the ribs bone, and metacarpus, also known as the palm bone, and phalanges, which are also known as the finger bone. While the hind limbs consist of the femur, tibia and fibula, tarsa, which are called the ankle bone, metatarsa, which are called the bone of the foot, and digits. The forelimbs. The forelimbs consist of the humerus, radius, and ulna. The humerus make a ball and socket joint with the glenoid cavity of the scapula, while the radius and the ulna make a joint with the humerus at the elbows and carpus at the ribs, which are called the gliding and the sliding joints. There are 8 carpus in the body, joined with the metacarpus and end up with the phalanges. The hinge joint. The hinge joint is made up of the femur, tibia and fibula, tarsa, metatarsa, and digits. The femur make a ball and socket joint with the pelvis, where inside is fixed into the acetabulum. It also forms a hinge joint with the tibia and the fibula at the knee. The hinge limbs consist of the femur, tibia, fibula, tarsa, which is called the ankle, metatarsa, which are called the bone of the foot, and digits. The femur make a ball and socket joint with the pelvis, where inside is fixed into the acetabulum. It also forms a hinge joint with the tibia and fibula at the knee, and it have a patella in the lower limbs. The femur is the strongest bone and the longest in the body. There are 9 tarsals in the body. All the toes have 3 digits, while the big toes are made up of the 2 digits. Thanks.
My name is Buhari Aminat and I'm talking on the giddles. That is the pectoral giddle and the pelvic giddle. The pectoral giddle. The pectoral giddle are found in the shoulder in man. It is made up of 2 halves which are held by the muscle. Each half is made up of 3 bones, which are the scapula or shoulder blade, the clavicle or collarbone, and the coracoid. In mammals, the scapula and the coracoid are joined together to form what is called scapular coracoid. At the apex or hollow of cavity is the glenoid cavity, in which the head of the humerus fits to join the shoulder joints. The pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle are found in the waist in man. It is made up of 2 halves which are joined to each other ventrally and the sacrum dorsally. The line of fusion of the 2 halves is the pubis symphysis. Each half is called the innominate bone. Each half is made up of 3 bones which are the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. Each half is made up of the iberator foramen, where the nerve, blood vessels pass through, and the acetabulum, where the femur fits to form the bone and circle joint or hip joint. Thank you.
My name is Orichukwu Clinton Jr. Today, I'm going to be talking about the number of bones in the human body and their positions. First of all, the exoskeleton. The exoskeleton consists of the skull, which has 22 bones, 8 cranium and 14 facial bones, the ribs and the sternum, which give a total of 25, the vertebral column, which is divided into 5 regions, 7 in the cervical, 12 in the thoracic, 5 in the lumbar region, and 4 fused up together in the cauda. The forelimb consists of 2 scapula, 2 clavicle, 2 humerus, 4 radius and ulna. This is the radius and this is the ulna. 4 radius and ulna, 16 carpals, 10 metacarpals, and 28 phalanges. The hind limb consists of the pelvic girdle, one on the right, one on the left, which is also called the hip bone, which gives a total of 2. The femur, which is the longest and strongest bone in the human body, which gives a total of 2. And the patella, which form the joint between the tibia and the fibula with the femur, which is 2, one on the right, one on the left. This is the tibia, this is the fibula, which gives a total of 4. 14 tarsals, 10 metacarpals, 28 phalanges, which gives a total of 62. Altogether, I give a total of 206 bones in the human body. Yes.